Northside, call it shorty, yeah, that's where I stay. Heard you was a lame boy, get up out my face.
Hey babes, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Danielle Naomi. So as you can see from the title, I'll be doing this gorgeous wig from Original Queen Hair. They sent me this super duper cute kinky curly wig. It is in 26 inches, 180 density, and 13 by 4 lace frontal wig. This is how it looks. As you can see, it's so gorgeous and I am in love. Right now it's giving tropical vacation vibes. Like, you know, we could definitely do a little vacation with this. This is definitely springtime friendly and she is cute. So if you'd like to purchase this wig, the links will be in the description box for you to do so. But let me just go ahead and get on with the video. I just wanted to let you guys know this wig is absolutely gorgeous. I love it. And yeah, let's jump into the tutorial. Right now it's giving okay. Yeah, it might be coming out the scalp, because let me just tell you, this wig is laid. Okay, it's glueless, it's laid, I love it. But right now I think I want to just do some baby hairs around the hairline, and I think I'm definitely gonna just define these curls, but I'm not gonna define the part. So the part is here and it's 13 by 4. You might be able to see the track here, but it's 13 by 4. It could be really flat like that, but I like the volume up in the top that it's giving. So I'm gonna just go in with baby hairs. I showed you guys the products. Got to be glue gel, the foam, and the hairspray just to give it a hold. And the hairspray is like really light. But yeah, right now I'm just gonna take the Got to Be that I left out. It's a bit tacky, like as you can see, it's not like coming up all the way. It's really tacky. I love the consistency like that. But I'm gonna just pull out some hairs. I don't really want to do anything in the middle here, so maybe a bit close to the middle, but not necessarily the middle itself. So just pull some hair from here. I'm gonna do this to the other side. It's time for me to use my spray bottle with water and conditioner. I tried to put a lot of conditioner in it, so that's why it looks really milky or like milk like. And the conditioner in this mixture is like super thick, so you know it's gonna give the hair like the best amount of moisture that it could possibly have. So Just spray, 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 spray. And you can go ahead and finger detangle, and once you feel like it's good enough, you can go in with an actual brush. That way it'll help to cut down on your shedding. Once you get down to like the ends of the hair, you want to concentrate as much moisture as you possibly can on them. Yeah, get it real nice and moist. And then you're going to detangle from the tips of the hair going upwards. So that way it helps to lessen your chances of getting a lot of shedding, excessive shedding. So to minimize it, we do this. So just like that, you could literally run your fingers through this kinky curly hair. Thanks for coming to my tutorial. So yeah, what I done for this side, I'm gonna do for this side, and I'll be back to actually brush detangle. Collectively, literally from both sides, I'm still scooping up. This is the amount of shed hair I got, which is ridiculous, like absolutely ridiculous. So that's so good, actually, really, really good. It's time to brush detangle. I'm gonna take my, you know, bamboo dead man brush and actually detangle for real. But before I do that, that's where this mousse comes in, because I don't use mousse on baby hairs. It's so hard to do that. I am gonna just use it to get the top, to get the top of my hair flat, and I'm just getting a good size amount. Once I do that, just get that mousse in there, work it in there. Mousse is supposed to get stuff flat, so the flatter the better. And like I said, I don't really want that defined of a part. So the part can be there, that's fine, but I don't want it like, you know, I want it to look really nice and natural. So that's just the look we're going for. We're gonna go in with some more moisture, and that will ensure that the hair is gonna be as defined as it can be. You see that, guys? So this is it finger detangled, and this is it brush detangled. So the curls are more clumped together and way more defined. So if you were to like wait until this dried down, this would dry down with a bit of fluffiness to it, versus this, it's gonna really dry down in like a really nice defined, you know, like curl quenched shape. If you are wearing your wig from Original Queen Hair, the next step to do is to attach your diffuser piece onto your diffuser and use hot or warm air and the highest setting and just diffuse. I diffuse like this. So we're gonna just switch this to hot, and we're gonna use the highest setting and diffuse. when diffusing your kinky curly wig unit or hair from Original Queen Hair, you have the option to stretch while diffusing, and that will just preserve the hair's length. This wig is gorgeous. I love it. She is super thick and she's super lightweight, so that is definitely a plus. So Original Queen Hair, I love that for me. Thank you so much for sponsoring this video and sending me this gorgeous wig. Again, I didn't want to do like a defined part. I just, you know, wanted to push this back a bit, you know, that way if I want to wear a scarf, it's very much vacation friendly. Or if I want to do it down, I definitely can. I just have to, you know, go in and touch up the part a bit. But this is it. This is the hair and I love it so much. So thank you so much again for watching. If you would like to purchase this gorgeous unit, the links to the wig will be in the description box below, as well as their website, social medias, etc. So without further ado, I will see you all in my next one.